Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you seeking to lease your dream home at an affordable price? Well, if your answer is yes, then come and make this amazing 5 bedroom, 6 bathroom gem in the exclusive gated community of the club at Reading Heights, St. James yours today. Enjoy breathtaking panoramic views from nearly every room or porch, creating a serene and inspirational backdrop for your everyday life. Unwind in the open concept living area or ascend the grand staircase and be captured by the modern glass windows and sliding doors leading to porches where you can sit, relax, and enjoy the sweeping ocean and the city views with its alluring lights at nights. The development provides 24-hour security, a clubhouse with an infinity pool, fitness center, and an open space with a grill, perfect for hosting private functions. Located in proximity to the finest markets and restaurants in Montego Bay, with world class beaches and golf courses just minutes away. The Sangster International Airport is just 20 minutes drive away. This is a peaceful and tranquil retreat that will make your family never want to leave. Make that call today and secure this gem. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US 3,000 or Jamaican $471.9 thousand. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.